And then some football news now. Second place, the Racing United have cut Montego United's lead in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League to 5 points after playing out a 0-0 draw with Tivoli Gardens at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex on Thursday afternoon. Tivoli are in 7th place on 23 points. Now, former champions Waterhouse FC picked up their first win on the new head coach Javier Einstein, defeating hosts Chapelton Maroons 1-0. Waterhouse had not tasted victory since their 1-0 win over Mobay United on December 21 and had quickly dropped to 11th on the table, just 3 points above the relegation zone before Thursday's encounter. Denardo Thomas scored the all-important goal for Waterhouse in the 17th minute to give them all 3 points. Elsewhere on the day, third-placed Portmore United were held to a 1-1 draw by Malines United at Ferdinita Park. Nicholas Nelson gave Malines the lead in the 65th minute before Peter McGregor equalized for Portmore in time added. Harborview's woes continued as they surrendered a 3-0 halftime lead to go down 4-3 to Treasure Beach FC at the Harborview Mini Stadium. And in the late kickoff game at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex, Mount Pleasant FA were leading Arnett Gardens 1-0 at half-time. Raheem Edwards, the difference maker so far, in netting in minute 23. Mount Pleasant are playing their first game in 2 weeks.